Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Apply the cuticle softener to the target area. Facial cleansing vacuum cup. Enhance cleansing effectiveness. During operation, cover the small hole on the cup with your finger to maintain suction. Press the cup onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently move the cup towards the hairline, ensuring the treated spots are connected. Repeat until the entire targeted area is covered. This applies to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. For areas with severely blocked pores in the T-zone, additional treatment may be applied. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Evenly apply RF cream around the eyes. IRF, address under eye shadows and fine lines for effective elimination. Lift from the eye corner towards the temple in an upward motion. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eye corner towards the temple. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eyebrow towards the hairline. Face RF, lifting and firming. Evenly apply RF cream to the face. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas. Glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas. Move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Roller cup, small, promotes facial circulation and detoxification. Apply essential oil to the face and evenly spread it across the entire face. Lift upward from the chin. Lift from the forehead toward the hairline. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Facial vacuum cup, lifting and firming. Lift upward from the chin. Lift from the forehead toward the hairline. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Lipo laser, eliminate double chin and refine facial contours. Choose a strap, short, medium, or long, depending on individual size, and secure it around the recipient's head. Insert the laser pads into the strap. Allow the device to work for 20 minutes. Turn off the instrument, remove the pads, release the strap, and complete the procedure. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream.